Welcome to Coahoma Community College and welcome to CCC's Social Science Department. We are thrilled that you have chosen a social science major. I am Dr. Barbara Boschert, and I will help you through this presentation as well as connect you to the proper advisor. What happens on campus if you're a social science major? Well, you can join our social science club. Of course, we gear up big for homecoming. We have many projects that benefit the people in our community. We have people come to campus like the young lawyers to talk about what they do. And we have exciting field trips in the social science area. What are my job opportunities if I'm a social science major? Well, if you're a psychology major, you can be a counselor or help in the schools as a school counselor. If you're a history major, you can be a historian, an archaeologist, an archivist. If you're majoring in social work, you can be a social worker or a sociologist. Criminal justice majors, you can be a probation officer. You can work in a prison as a counselor or any other number of degrees. If you're a political scientist, you can be a public policy advisor. Also in our department, we advise education majors. 2 of us have taught in the K-12 setting. So Ms. Melton and I are a great resource if you are in education. I taught several years in elementary school. I've taught junior high, high school, and now community college. Here are our majors, and I will direct you to the correct advisor during this video. For example, if you are a criminal justice major, you would see our criminal justice instructor for advising, and her name is Ms. Rosie Miller. So let's meet our advisors. First, we have our administrative assistant, Ms. Brendalyn Skurlock. This is the most important person in our department. You will see her in the halls on the second floor of Whiteside. She can help you with lots of things. She can help you if you need a pencil or a pen. She can tell you where your classes are found. She can help you contact someone in financial aid or other people on campus if you have a problem. She can help you get started with registration. She can help you apply for graduation. Ms. Skurlock is the most important person in our department. And of course, she is in 212 Whiteside when school is in session. You see her email there if you need her and her phone number. If you are listening to this during the COVID-19 break from school, the phone numbers listed here will ring through to the proper person. So if you call Ms. Skurlock's number, it will ring through to her personal phone and she will answer it. This is me. During the COVID-19 break from school, I am working from home. I am the department chair, and you can see me about anything related to social science. I mainly advise elementary education majors, but I do advise other things, and I will be happy to help you. You see my email there, bboschert@coahomacc.edu. My phone number, and when school is in session, I am located in 212 Whiteside. That's on the second floor of Whiteside. So see me for elementary education, social science education. This would be like if you want to teach one of the social sciences in junior high or middle school or high school. For example, if you wanted to teach history. Special education, see me if you're a history major or if you're in African American Studies. Our next advisor is our psychology instructor, Mrs. Giovanni Michael. Notice her email is ygardner@cahomacc.edu. See her phone number there, as well as her location, also on the second floor of Whiteside Hall. Miss Michael is our psychology instructor, so if you are a psychology major, you will see her. You can also see her for elementary education and special education. But most importantly, see her if you are a psychology major. Our next instructor is Mr. John Mayo. He is a political science instructor. If you're majoring in political science or public policy, please see him first. He has a wealth of experience, including being a state representative and mayor of Clarksdale for many years. He was also in the Vietnam War, and he sent that picture of himself when he was younger in Vietnam. So, see Mr. Mayo. Definitely if you're a political science major, paralegal, definitely public administration or public policy. And here is an interesting note. Mr. Mayo will be available in the fall to help you with writing. Any paper that you're assigned in any class, he will help you put it together. He will be working in the Writing Center, which will be located in the library. And he is also an excellent writer. He has written columns for the Clarion Ledger in Jackson, and also for the Clarksdale Press Register. Our next advisor is Mrs. Vivian Williams. She is our sociology instructor. You will see her first if you are a sociology major or a social work major. She has spent years in working outside of Coahoma in these areas. So see Ms. Williams for, of course, sociology, social work, and if Mrs. Miller is not available, you could see her for criminal justice. This is Miss Rosie Miller. She is our criminal justice instructor. You will see, she definitely wants to see all of her criminal justice majors. Please reach out to her. Her email is rmmiller@cahomacc.edu, and you see her phone number there. Like Miss Williams, Miss Miller has a lot of experience in criminal justice, so she can help advise you about what it's like to work in the field. See Miss Miller for criminal justice. If Miss Williams is not available, you can see her for sociology and social work as well. Next is Miss Elizabeth Melton. She is a history instructor. She and I are history instructors. Notice her email is emmelton@cahomacc.edu, and there is her phone number. She also has taught in K-12 high school history. So if you want to become a teacher, she and I are both excellent resources to help get you set up in an internship, or to just let you know what it's like and answer any questions that you may have. So see Miss Melton for history, if you're a history major, elementary education, special education, if you're a paralegal major, or if you are in social science education. I hope this has given you an opportunity to see who your advisor is, and we look forward to not only advising you, but working closely with you to help you reach your goals. Welcome to CCC, and we look forward to working with you. Please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.